You could ask the question, well, in that case, are there objects that are so distant that the light travelling from them began its journey close to the Big Bang itself? Is that possible? And the answer is yes. And that light was first detected in the 1960s. It's called the cosmic microwave background radiation. So essentially the idea is, how far can I look in every direction? You can look about 13.8 billion years into the past, back to the origin of the universe.
We don't know the figure for the biggest star, but one of the biggest you can see with the naked eye actually is Betelgeuse, or Betelgeuse in Orion. And what's interesting about that is if you put it where the Earth is, then it would extend out pretty much to the orbit of Jupiter.